Hey everyone, it's Zip Dude here with a quick video to show you how to remove the silicone ear tips from the Apple AirPods Pro earbuds. There are a couple reasons you would need to remove them: to clean them, swap them out, or to change to a size that's more comfortable for you. If you just bought the item, they come with the medium size installed. In the box you also have extra small, small, and large size silicone ear tips that you can change out to the size that fits your ear better. You might need to remove the ones you currently have from your AirPods to clean them. I will show you a simple way to remove and to install them. Take the AirPod and unroll the silicone end on the tip. On either side of the tip, you'll see a small metal piece exposed near the base of the silicone tip. You want to place your thumb on one side above that metal and to place your index finger on the same location on the other side of the tip. Pull straight away from the AirPod. You have now removed it. When you go to reinstall it or put on a different tip, look at the open end of the silicone tip. You'll see it's oval. You want to orient the tip so that the smaller round ends are on the top and bottom, and simply push it onto the AirPod. You will hear a click. That's it. Quick and simple. If this was of help to you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.